Hello again, today is Pete Eat Repeat and special edition. This is what we're having today. Chicken Jalfrezi. Now we'll go into the fridge. There will be, well there was, some rice, all from Asda's special range. I think they're only £3 for the chicken Jalfrezi, which is that, and about £1.50 for that. We're going to put it in the hypersentia and cook it on. Let's have a look from the back, see what it says, if anything. The way we can do it for 3 minutes. We're going to put it in the cooker because it's better. It's going to be in there for 30 minutes on 190. Now I'm going to stir it after about 20 minutes and then eat it. So I'll bring you back when both of them are done. Got some poppadoms to have with it. Sharwoods. Turn it around the right way. Some Sharwoods. Poppadoms to go with it. I've got to do this rice as well. So here's the rice. What we do, get a knife, a couple of holes, put that in the microwave, put it on for 2 minutes, it will start. Let's have a look at this. Oh, look at this, done. That is done. Let's take it out. Let's give it a stir. So you put it on for 20 minutes, and that's done. Done to perfection. It smells lovely as well. So, just have a look at that. That is absolutely delicious. Let's wait for the rice to do. It takes 3 minutes, so what I do, you take it out. Not long to go. Well, here's the result of my food today. That was absolutely gorgeous. Chicken Jalfrezi, pilau rice. All from Asda's. £5, £4.50 all in all. The spices in the Jalfrezi were absolutely delicious. Actually cardamoms in the rice, which makes a change. The Sharwood's poppadoms were lovely and fresh. But yeah, I did have the chicken korma from Tesco's a couple of weeks ago, and that was equally as delicious. I would totally recommend this. And go and get it. Absolutely lovely. So that's all from me. Eat with Pete. I'll be back again soon. See you soon. Bye bye.